Enjoy your favorite TV shows, movies, and music with your favorite people. Watch or listen together with content from supported apps using SharePlay and FaceTime. Before you start, make sure everyone in your group is using iOS 15.1 or iPadOS 15.1 or later. Once everyone is ready in FaceTime, anyone can start SharePlay. Just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and open the supported app. Some apps that support SharePlay require a subscription. Let's watch something together in the Apple TV app. When you're ready, tap the play button. A prompt might appear asking you to confirm that you want to continue. Once the video starts, you can control the size by switching between full screen and picture-in-picture mode. Tap the video anytime you want to see the controls. Tap the picture-in-picture button in the top right corner if you want to view it full screen. When you make the video full screen, FaceTime switches to picture-in-picture mode. Anyone can drag the FaceTime window to a different corner and pinch it out or in to make it bigger or smaller. Everyone in your party can control playback, so they can pause, play, fast forward, or rewind, and it automatically syncs across everyone's devices. You can also do other things on your iPhone or iPad using picture-in-picture mode while watching or listening in SharePlay. And you'll still see your friends in FaceTime. If you want to end SharePlay, just tap the Close button. You can end playback for everyone using SharePlay, or just yourself. And that's a look at SharePlay on iPhone and iPad. Watch or listen together no matter where you are. To learn more about how to use your... Want to use the screen space on your Mac to its fullest potential? Split View lets you view two apps full screen, side by side. Here's how in macOS Monterey. We'll show you how to enter Split View, and then how to use and exit it. Let's take a look at two ways to enter Split View. One way to enter Split View is to hold the pointer over the green Full Screen button in the upper left corner of an app window. You'll see options to enter full screen and tile the window to the left or right. You may see additional options if you have an external display or a device connected to your Mac. Select which side of the screen you want the window on. The other half of your screen will then display other open app windows that support Split View. Now, select the app window you want to use side by side. We'll go with Photos. There we go. If you're in an app full screen, you can also enter Split View by swiping up with 4 fingers on your trackpad to view Mission Control. Then, drag another app onto the thumbnail of the full screen app. To use the space in Split View, click it. Now that you know how to enter Split View, let's take a look at how to use and exit it. To move an app to the other side of the screen, move your pointer to the top edge of the screen and drag the toolbar. If you want one app to take up more of the space, you can drag the vertical line between the windows. Now you can work in both apps and drag items between them. Let's move this photo over. Perfect. If you want to use a different app in Split View, hold the pointer over the green full screen button in the upper left corner of the app you want to switch and select Replace Tiled Window. Your screen will display other open app windows that support Split View. Let's choose Notes. That was easy. You can swipe with 3 fingers to the left or right on your trackpad to view another app or the desktop while in Split View. If you've changed your accessibility settings to enable drag lock, you'll do this with 4 fingers instead of 3. To exit Split View, swipe up with 4 fingers to open Mission Control. Then you can hold the pointer over a space until the gray expand arrow appears and click it to close it. Or you can hold down Option and then click the gray expand arrow to close a space and return to your desktop. And that's Split View. Now you can maximize your screen's potential. To learn more, some things are better with visuals. Here's how to share your screen with everyone in your FaceTime call. To use screen sharing, start or join a FaceTime call.
Hey, I'm ordering some coffee. Here, let me show you the menu.
When you're ready to share, tap the screen to show the controls. Then, tap the Share Screen button. Tap Share My Screen to confirm. Screen sharing begins after a short countdown. Now you can navigate to the app you want to share. Your entire screen is visible during screen sharing, so notifications are temporarily muted.
Cool, thanks. I'll take a medium to Sora.
When you're ready to end screen sharing, pull up the FaceTime controls and tap the Share Screen button again.
Okay, I'll pick that up. See you in a bit.
Share